You can create a form in Microsoft Word by starting with a template and adding content controls. These controls can be found within the control group, including checkboxes, text boxes, date pickers, and drop-down lists. These controls can be enhanced by the design mode. For example, if we insert a control within this field, it has a standard description, which we cannot change. However, if we now enable the design mode, we can change and extend this text. So let's demonstrate how to create a form by using these controls. But to insert the content controls, you will need to add the Developer tab. So as a reminder, click on the Quick Access toolbar, More Commands, and select Customize the ribbon. Click the tick box for the Developer option, and then click OK to display as a new tab. And now we are ready to populate our table with a range of controls. First, we will populate the full name field. There are two text options, but for now we will insert the plain text. But for the comments field, we will use rich text, which provides greater word content and formatting options. For obvious reasons, we will select the date picker for this field. For the Safari tab, we will provide a drop-down menu with options that cannot be changed by the user. Finally, let's select the combo box, as this allows the user to add text if no appropriate option was offered. The next step is to customize the content controls by setting up their properties. To set the properties for the drop-down list, right-click onto the control and select Properties. Click the Add button and enter the first option, then click OK. Continue the process for the other options and click OK. The combo box properties and all other properties are set up in the same way. Right-click onto the control and select Properties. Click the Add button and enter the first option, then click OK. And click OK. The next step is to protect the form to allow users to only access the controls that you have inserted. So let's click the Restrict Editing button in the Protect group. This opens a new panel on the right hand side. Check the option under Editing Restrictions, and from the drop-down menu, select Filling in Forms. Click Yes, Start enforcing protection. Now we can save the form as a template by clicking the File tab, Save As, and selecting the template option in the Save File as tag box. Click the template folder from the folder options on the left of the window and click OK to save. To access the completed form, click the File tab, select New, My Templates, and then select the correct template and click OK. It is now a simple process to complete the form. For example, we can enter the person's name, the required date, and the Safari type. However, when we try to complete the title, there is an obvious option missing, but with the combo control, the user can type and insert this option. That concludes this section. Please click onto the Exit button and move on to the next section, or replay this section if you wish to.